Nisalala?
No, wasalalani.
Okay.
Yeah, sagcina nje like 3 years ago. Mahlangana nje.
Wayehleka, we can't be sure of that because usindi yahleka.
Shukuthi masithi bengawulindelanga lo mbuzo ke bhuti.
Guys, today we have something different. So this guy is dating this girl and his ex is still involved in his life. Now ex yakhe uhlisa khona in his life. There's so much going on. The current is like no man. Why ex yakhe uhlisi involved in our life? So now this guy asked to come to the show so that he can clear the air, you know, so that he can, you know, yeah, talk to both of them. Let's stay tuned. Tango.
Shoba fethu igama ukhanye all the way from the Western Cape, based in Joburg, South Hills.
Sanibonani, ngikhuluma noSindiswa lona wakajila, ngiphuma eNewcastle kodwa ngihlala la eJoburg.
Hi guys, I'm Lema all the way from Western Cape and now ndihlala eBoksburg.
Ngila today because I came to explain to my girlfriend why am I having a relationship with my ex-girlfriend. So yeah, that's why I'm here today.
Namhlanje ngibiziwe la sokhuluma indaba ye-ex yami ebengijula nayo relationship ukuthi uxabana nomuntu wakhe nxa yami angazi ukuthi indaba.
Ngila today because of, I don't know why exactly, but I think I'm invited by my boyfriend. I think he has something to say to me or confess, I don't know, but yeah, we'll see.
Hi baby.
Hi baby, njani?
I'm good. I invited you to explain to you about my ex-girlfriend thingy because I see you've been having a problem with me, like talking to her. I just wanted to know that we're just friends, nothing much, nothing less. We're just friends.
Again, lendo yakho nale ex yakho. Kandi, what's the deal? Kwenzeka ntoni Khanyisa? Why oko?
We're just friends, like I just said, nothing much, nothing less. I can't stand on his side besides being friends, you know. I feel like she's a cool human being, you know, to associate yourself with. Besides in Imijolo and relationships, you know, we're just cool friends. So yeah, that's the reason why I called you here.
I don't understand. Kahle angiyiva le ndaba yonke. Like why? Like don't let kaba ikuye. Izonenza ba nibe in contact. Okay, wait, are you guys still chatting on WhatsApp?
Yeah, we're still chatting. But we're just chatting about like general stuff, you know. She's a very supportive friend.
Wow, supportive.
Yeah, in
so,
terms of like
wait. So when now you think by right about you get support from your ex?
I don't look at her like that anymore, you know, because of how she is and the cool person she is. You know, we are over the relationship thing. We're not even like mentioning that, you know, it was 3 years ago, so...
Exactly 3 years ago.
Yeah.
We don't like kabingaka.
Like I said...
Like, cool. What about me? So meaning I'm not cool, I'm not supportive. I'm not supposed to have those kind of conversations with me that you having together, like...
No, not like that per se, but... you're perfect, like there's nothing wrong about you, but like us as human beings we differ in some type of ways, you know. So she's very well connected first and foremost, and she's very, you know, she can plug you with anything. Even knowing you my girlfriend, she can help you. Even she knows that you my girlfriend. Like she's a very good-hearted person, you know, she's very kind, you know, very nice. Like everybody loves her, you know, not because they want to be in a relationship with her, but just because of she's a very nice and kind person. That's why I'm still cool with her, because, you know, I don't talk to my exes, but she's the only one that I talk to.
Meaning there's something so special about this girl, because she's the only ex or tetanayo kuzo zonke ex zakho. And the fact that well connected, abantu bayamthanda. That's the thing, because abantu bayamthanda.
Yeah, as you know, like we're from the Western Cape, yeah, bro, and then you know how closer girls are, you know, and she's
okay, wait, now I understand. Is it because of yena she's Zulu, mna Xhosa?
You know, thina abantu bangabakhosa sinenhlamba, yabo, that's what they say, like we are rude.
No, just say mna, I'm rude.
No, you know,
because that's the point. Yeah, no. Because I can see why ungabi naye ke, and then undiyeke mna.
No, our friendship like just ends there. There's no friends with benefit or anything like that. We just exes. We don't want to talk about that. We don't want to talk about relationship. Our relationship is just tucked on friends.
Ngizokuthemba kanjani xa ungafuni ubonisa i-chat zakho nezincokola naye?
I don't feel comfortable about showing
Why?
you our conversations.
Why?
Because it might mess things up between us. You know, that's why. That's the only reason why I don't want you to go through my phone or see chat zamnayo. Because the way we chat to each other might hurt you. You might think maybe we're flirting or something like that, of which maybe we're not. Actually, we're not.
Are you guys ready? Now let's introduce the friend, the female bestie. It's time to introduce the female bestie.
Hi, Cindy.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm nice. So this is Liema, this is Cindy, my ex. Cindy, this is Liema, my girlfriend. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I invited you here so that like I could explain, or so that she can see you in person who's the Cindy that I've been talking about. So that akubone nje ukuthi like, okay, what person are you and so that's why I brought you here.
Okay. Iyo ntombi yakho le yadi ngitshula ngayo.
Yeah, this is my girlfriend.
Oh, niyathetha ngami.
Yeah, uyashwela ukuthi unentombi bengichazela.
And then wena, how do you feel yonke lona uba unentombi?
No, I feel bad cause mina naye asajoli. Usayi-ex yami. Sesabangani kuphela. So, ngeke ngifeel bad.
Why yena, out of all people, why do you still choose to be friends with him, your ex?
Because like sine history like ende kakhulu and
Wow.
like imndeni yethu
And why is you there?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
ungamkwateli
Ngabangani nje.
No, because
phela nje.
it doesn't make sense to me and I'm feeling hot. Akho fan la, yo. Yasha.
Baby. Mara like why because it drama kanje? Because ngiyakutshela ukuthi ex.
Baby, because I know like wait and understand like for real like into endicaba uyithetha naye ungazithetha nami. Because we're supposed to be partners mosna nawe. You're supposed to be my best friend, like you're supposed to share everything. So why do you uthi ngubani igama lakho? Cindy.
Yeah.
Come on.
Ish, like angazi ufuna ngithini baby, but like I've been explaining to you ukuthi Cindy, she's a cool person and she's a very nice person. Not ukuthi wena you're not nice or when you are a bad person, no. Just in general, like abantu abaningi bamjwayela uCindy, like bayamthanda ukuthi nje ungumuntu alright nje la emphakathini.
Okay, people, like I want to understand something, ne?
Yeah.
Why ithatha ixesha lingaka ba ungixelele this thing ba you still have a relationship with uCindy and then unzise la phambi kama camera and all the stuff, like ufuna ungihlekisa ngabantu, like cause this is going to be on TV.
Like
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Like the reason ngizisela ukuthi ngikhathele ukuthi sihlezi sixabana, hlezi sisilwa about uCindy yabo. So I wanted uCindy umbone like achazele ngokwakhe in your face ukuthi mina naye hlanganiswa yini kahle because wena engathi awungithembi and hlezi ufuna ifoni yami, ufuna ubona ama chat wami noCindy yabo. So bengithi hayi nje ngilethe uCindy la, uCindy azochaza. Yabo.
Sorry guys, can I ask a question? For especially for viewers who don't understand. When I know uCindy, man. When I know Cindy, how long have you guys been together before you break up?
3 years.
We've dated for 2 or 3 years. 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
Okay. And then how long are you guys?
We've been dating for like close to a year now. Ne? Yeah, close to a year.
So, my sister, what is it that is bothering you?
The fact that they're still in contact, like bayathetha, like in only thetha, and then uKhanya doesn't want me to see the conversation that abayithethayo, like indoli ngaka abayithethayo. That's what I don't understand, like especially in the ex yakhe abajole 3 years, because nana it's not even a year sijola.
My brother,
Shocking.
if you umuntu wakho right now usathetha le ex yakhe uzofila kanjani?
I wouldn't like it, angeke ngiyithande leyo nto, but if umuntu wami like could do what I did today yabo, let ex yakhe bang understand ukuthi bahlanganiswa yini, like kube transparent nje yabo, understandane sonke. I guess if we all like transparent, then
No.
I guess I will understand.
But if you
don't lie.
can't show her your WhatsApp, You're not transparent.
Yeah, the only reason
Exactly.
I'm not showing her my WhatsApp is the fact that I'm afraid to lose her because, for example, the way mina noSindi sikhuluma khona.
You're afraid to
so-
lose her
Yeah.
if she see your WhatsApp.
Yes.
So there is something that will make you lose her on your WhatsApp.
I feel or I think so because the way mina noSindi sikhuluma khona phoning, like we're so nice to each other to a way that she might think maybe we're flirting or something like that, but it's only friendship.
You are so nice to each other.
Yes, like for example, she would say hi with a big smile, and I would say hi with a heart, and then makabona maybe lo heart uzobuza ukuthi bayaphi laba hearts nani.
Cindy,
Yes.
unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Nami ngiyaphila. Wena awubone into wrong niyenzayo not.
No, mina ngibona into wrong cause like I like yena
Aw.
bengicabanga ukuthi like umuntu wakhe uyazi ngami because nami ngiyazi ngayo girl.
Okay.
Bengicabanga ukuthi maybe uyazi bengazi ukuthi akazi.
Because the reason we are here is because she's not comfortable with you being in his life, you being a friend to your ex. When I know the ex yako nisabonana, you guys still meet?
Naye tsani.
Yeah.
No, it's been a while sinabonani. Maybe like inyanga manje. That's siyakhuluma.
A month.
But bona nomuntu wami.
That's
So-
siyakhuluma efonini.
So that means you guys still meet.
Yeah, like maslangana when I put like she helps me sometimes with transportation, yeah, but to go get like fabrics and stuff since like I'm into the fashion field. She also knows well-known people that sometimes I do style and dress. So that's the benefit or that's the things that makes us see each other. Ukuthi like young plug and put her on in certain things, you know.
So why don't you ask Umdwako for transportation?
She doesn't have a car. Cindy has a car.
Wow.
Okay. This one is tough.
Tough.
Yes.
But this lady is not happy.
I can see she's not happy.
So why didn't you stop?
From today I will stop because I finally met her and I can see that she's not happy. Yeah. So yeah, nakakhulume nomuntu wakhe into engayisho.
But I feel like Cindy, if ever like we're gonna cut like the relationships in I, then I'll somehow lose because with the money I make, I'm able to take my girlfriend out, I'm able to give her fun, yeah, but now man, if ever like a relationship you stop, it means even the privileges and the opportunities they're gonna get stuck. Shooting your man, umuntu amuzongishiya ayeka abanye abantu abangcono nakungani.
That's why ngithi mina ukhulume naye umuntu wakho.
Nami ngizokuphlaga nje baby.
Nawuzomplaga but when you to figure like holy baby and awazi bana baningi and you're not really into or you're not really tapped into this thing Cindy are tapped in kuyona. Yeah, boy. So
So endlini sister, endlini kukhuluma ngoCindy.
But wami, yo.
I've been hearing Cindy the whole time since we've been here. I don't hear your name. Who's Cindy? Left and
It's
right.
all about Cindy. Like even video calls, Cindy, I hear Cindy, and now I'm not supposed to talk or to complain about that because bayasebenzana, they work together. Ish.
yeah, no.
Cindy,
Yes.
usister akekho happy
I'm not.
ukuthi wena ukhuluma nomuntu wakhe. Ikhona, is there anything that you guys do that you guys are hiding? Ikhona into niyenzayo?
Ayikho into esiyenzayo cause naye uyazi ukuthi naye umuntu wami. Yeah.
Nisalala?
No, wasalalani.
Okay.
Yeah, sagcina nje like 3 years ago. Mahlangana nje.
Wayahleka, we can't be sure about that because uSindy yahleka.
Shukuthi masithi bengawulindelanga lo mbuzo ke bhuti.
Bengawulindela.
Angasho kanjalo shukuthi mina bengawulindelanga lo mbuzo lo.
Uyancuma, uyasmile.
Ish. Yeah, angazi.
Guys, no.
But now why
I'm so
ngathi
sorry.
enjoy yonke
She's
le?
not happy. Like, Cindy, no into yenzayo right.
No, ukuthi lo mbuzo lo bengawulindele vele. Cause uyazi nawe like bese sikhulumile ukuthi i-ex so nje lo mbuzo nje vele bengamelanga.
Yeah, and another thing engikhohle ukutshela yona babe, like mangihamba noSindy engilana ukuthi sihambe siye kulezi ndawo uhlezi ne-boyfriend yakhe or enomuntu wesithathu. Yabo, so if maybe awungithembi, or you can even ask them maybe.
Okay, but wena why ungakwazi ubiza girlfriend yakho nihambe nonke? Because uza nomuntu wakhe mos nangoku wena wayengazi nomuntu
Yeah,
wakho.
because most of the time you're at work, you understand, and mina ngiyisebenzela, so uSindy nayo uyisebenzela, so hlezi nje yabo ekhona for
Why
us.
uSindy angazange nomuntu wakhe la?
La because mina bengazilana kahle kahle ukuthi kuzokwenziwani.
Yeah, I didn't tell her ukuthi kuzokwenzakala la, because maybe she was gonna refuse to come, you understand. So even her, I didn't tell her, I just asked her like, yo, let's go there, bro. So yeah.
Wena Cindy umuntu wakho ufila kanjani ukuthi you still friends with your ex? Uyayazi nje, does he know ukuthi wena noKhanyisa you still in contact?
Yeah, naye benayo inkinga at first, benayo inkinga ukuthi like ngisakhuluma ne-ex yami, kodwa kwathi makuhamba isikhathi wagcina se-understand ukuthi ngiyamsiza into nini uKhanya.
And I'm feeling ngibona ukuthi like i-intentions zami they're not there yabo, but into business, because mina vele la igoli ngizela ukuzophanda la yabo, ngizela uzospana, angizelanga ama-relationship nani yabo.
Awuzelanga ama-relationship? Or you are in a relationship?
Yes, I'm in a relationship, but like I met my girlfriend back home, you understand. uSindy yena ngihlala naye the time ngifika la eGoli. You understand? So that's the difference. You see?
So yini yenza ukuthi lingahlukane wena noSindy lingababangani after the relationship? Yini yenza ukuthi
sihlale singabangani? Okay.
Yeah.
So uSindy, like I said before when I was explaining to my girl, yabo, uSindy she's a very like sweet person and a very kind person, yabo. Like ungaxabana naye now, the next 2 hours she's not there, you understand. Like umuntu like onothando, umuntu like ojwayele njengabantu, yabo, umuntu nje wabantu, yabo, besides indaba yemijolo ne-relationships. Yabo, so uSindy like umuntu nje onjalo, yabo, umuntu sweet, yabo.
Okay. Siyazwa ukuthi uSindy unjani? Umuntu wakho yena unjani?
Umuntu wami she's the same, but in most cases hlezi silwa, yabo, sixabana, like xabana nama-exes, like umuntu nje ongafuna uku-understand ukuthi okay uKhanye lento ayenzayo vele uzohlangana nabantu abazimezi okanye abazifemales abaningi, yabo. So it's a matter of understanding ukuthi like kumele umuntu wakho understand ukuthi like usebenza ngani and was associated nabantu abanjani, you understand. And in most cases mina ke I associate myself with girls because amachita vele in most cases ahlezi enomona, yabo, wezokubhekela phansi, yakhuluma into ebhedayo, yabo, nje into enjalo, yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Between all two uthanda one?
Angithanda umuntu, angithanda uLiam.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you are saying wena uhlezi unamantombazana?
Hayi kanjalo, ayikuthi
But you said that now.
ayikuthi ngihlezi nginawo, ngihlezi ngisebenza nawo. Like umzekelo uSindy makazongilanda, ungilandela ukuthi siyasebenza. Asihlangana ukuthi hayi seclubini okanye separtini kanye
Okay, but
sephothweni.
from what you said is that when you never chill with gents, you are only chilling with ladies.
I said in most cases, I never said I don't chill with gents. I said in most cases I chill with ladies. You understand? Because abanye babo kama model wami, abanye babo like yabo bangisiza kulesi span
And you must
special.
send my emojis.
Do you have a problem with that?
I do, able
That's
because
the reason I didn't want you to see our conversation, because otherwise by now we wouldn't be together. If you saw each other noSindy, and me and Cindy, like we really genuinely not in a relationship like that. Singabangani nje.
Okay, Cindy, please explain your relationship with him. Injani relationship yenu?
I-relationship yethu i-right nje as abangani, like bonke abangani.
What is it that you are benefiting from him?
Mina ngi-benefit me because mina ngisiza yini.
I don't understand. Okay, there's no way ukuthi okay, I understand ama-transport nemali or whatever connection, but niyakhuluma ngithi almost all the time. Yini nikhuluma ngayo, yini that you get from him? What is it?
No, angitholi lutho kuye njengoba ngisho ukuthi yini engimsizayo because ngiyamzwela, because like dala lo muntu ngimazi, isimo sakhe ngiyasazi, isimo la ephuma
He's not suffering, so don't say he's not suffering. It's good. He has a business.
But sometimes work better.
Yeah, it's still up and coming.
So
it's
when
very
you're there
stable.
for him,
Yeah, as a friend.
but unomuntu wakhe.
Angazi kwenzekalani esayidini labo kodwa like uma izofuna usizo kumina ngeke ngithi no lento le anginayo ngibe nginayo.
And enye into ke ngoku yabo Cindy like ngisiza vele ngeways ezibhaya wena bra wami yabo. And umuntu anganoza akhona ukungisiza ngazo manje. Understand mina nami understand the situation umuntu wami ukuthi okay yabo usaphanda yabo usazama so Cindy at least like yabo ukwesinye standard yabo hayi ukuthi mina connected no Cindy
Ukwesinye standard. Hey, why is all the compliment?
In other words, when you are using uSindi for into zakhe.
No, we're friends.
Because
So
when you don't benefit anything from this friendship, he's the only one benefiting. Because when you have a car and all the stuff, akana moto.
Lokho beke cha ngiboni.
but like
So yakubona
ukuthi uyangisiza doesn't mean ukuthi like she has to ukuthi uyangisiza doesn't mean I'm using her ukuthi she's helping me. She doesn't have to benefit. Like I said, usinde umuntu alright, umuntu o kind, umuntu nothando yabo. Makubona ukuthi udinga usizo rana uzokhona ukukusiza if you are khona yabo. Mangaba kakhona
yasho ukuthi mhlambe uyangiuza kube mhlambe mina naye sajola ngiyalala naye uqede mhlambe ngiyamsiza ngezinto yabo and the next thing buyela kuyo kodwa sajola yakulali naye.
So wena are you happy in the friendship yenu babini?
Ngihappy.
I feel like ikhona indlela ubenefita ngayo mara you can't say it on
Yes.
camera.
Nami ngifila njalo because there is no way.
Yo,
Because
Yeah, because you just said I'll benefit in nothing at all.
ayikho.
mara isikhathi esiningi uyazi nawe ukuthi ngihlezi nginawe. The only time you're at work and the only time I'm also doing my work sihlanganiso sikhathi nosini so angazi ke ukuthi yini le nikhuluma ngayo ngingayazi mina nosini.
when I sing, will you be a friend to her? Will you be her friend?
Yes.
Ngaba umngane wakhe.
Ngingaba umngane wakhe. Maye ngavuma yini ukuba umngane wami. Anginayo.
Wena le emothini.
So that maybe
Like,
we
do
can
you
move
think,
together.
I'm not saying ube umngane wakhe, ngiyabuza ukuthi do you think if let's say you were to be in a situation where maybe kumele niba bangane or umuntu wakho uyacela ukuthi niba bangane, when can you be a friend?
So that we can also like see wherever we go, whatever we do, ngicabangela kabi ngehlobo ngicabangela ngakhona.
Maybe, I think so, because Safika like Josie and Diana, she's been here for a long time, and as Shilo Kanyisukuti, she's well known, Yamplaka, so maybe Naman Plaka or something.
Yeah, maybe you can also
Know too much.
well, maybe you can also benefit and also maybe gain my trust. Maybe one go to oh very lo muntu
Maybe mele ngife umngane wakhe. Anyway, siyayethe. Hey, Nkosi yami.
I don't know.
Wow.
yeah.
I think I've asked the questions that I wanted to ask. But going forward, maybe let me say in future if it happens later that umuntu wakho want to do stembo no Cindy. That's it.
Why is Tembu Puti?
I'm just asking,
No.
how are you gonna feel about that?
No, yabona ngoku ezi suspicions bendinazo sizoba inyani because why izofuna isithembu, meaning he's still in love with uSindi. You see, cause
But the
asizengivuma.
way ngizwa ngakhona ngathi ubhuti uyabuza ukuthi like how would you feel if ever ingenzeka ukuthi mina
Yes.
ngifuna mayibe njalo angifuni ukuthi kube kanjalo mara uyabuza ukuthi if ever it can happen since like now you guys are cool, you know each other, we're gonna move together and then maybe if it could happen, not it's gonna happen.
I don't know, ish. Sobona phambili.
Mina esayidini lami ngeke ngivuma. Usithembu ngiwena.
Why?
Ngeke. Obvious uzobona vele ukuthi vele shuthi vele labantu laba like bebengenza islima still.
Oh.
Bebesaqhubeka nalento yabo.
Both ngeke uvume because of that.
Yeah.
uthi if
Shuthi vele ukhombisa ukuthi vele shuthi vele ukhanye besamthanda.
That's what I said nami sekuqaleni.
yeah, but the chat was like if ever it had to happen, not it's going to happen.
So if let's say There's of instinct, but not with Liam, with another woman. Liam says she's not in the picture. Also,
Hayi bengivume because isithembu nje it's not my thing.
Mara, manje you are in a team of friendship.
Yo, I shame.
Never when I feel not too dangerous.
Ubani?
When
Ayikho dangerous.
hi, we are talking about him.
Ngumngane right. No, it's
Not at all.
I'm saying,
Mara, you know, him, I like the fact that you're not like angry at her, like you're not.
No, I'm not.
she's a very calming,
I'm
collected
not.
person. Drinking ayakhe nje uyangicabangela all the time.
Mara, I'm not to take advantage of your log.
No,
Exactly, yeah.
Do you sometimes ever feel like that?
Yes, all the times.
Then why don't you voice it out? Because mina ngazi nje makwatile about uSindi nje.
Because like even the theater tizoba wrong because every time Nana is in argument, I'm the wrong one.
No, not all the time. In most of the time. Not all of the time, most of the
But
time.
kulendo yakho noSindi, when it comes to your thing with uSindi, ndimuntu soloko like ndithetha kakhulu ndicinga into
I feel like-
ezininzi uthi bandicabanga kakhulu ngicabanga into ezingekhoyo so that's why I'm
feel
like,
I feel like in this case, you are wrong all of the time because of the way you think of me and the way and the things that you suspect about me and Cindy. So now I'm glad that you guys came here together. I feel like from now going forward, you understand the story or what's going on. You understand?
Yeah.
Because how am I going to take you out to Rosebank if Cindy is not there to help me to make money? You know?
so wena xa undikhupha unsa out unsa imali kaSindi.
No, I'm saying if Cindy doesn't help me because she helps me to get the business going. If she can't take me to China Mall or to what is this place Dragon City to get the stuff, the fabrics and the stuff, then how am I gonna make money? You understand? It means I have to Uber, I have to take taxi. Then you see, things are gonna be way harder than they are now. So do you understand? So the more she helps me, the more I make more money, the more I'm able like to take you out to make us happy, man. We deserve to be happy, you know.
But I think also nami ndiyafuna ukubona ukuthi nini nincokolayo noSindi kuWhatsApp.
Angithi from now on sohamba sonke.
Yeah, from now on going forward we move together.
Yes, and also nami ndizobona ama-chat mawuncokola noSindi because wena if uhlele ecango wami and then you're on your phone with uSindi,
Yeah.
you're gonna be like this.
Nah, but like trust me, yeah, in the chat maybe from now going forward, I can show you because at least now we're all on the
Yes.
same page.
Yeah.
Even if she reacts with your heart, you won't be asking questions. You could see, why you reacting with heart? Why you send this emoji? Why send this sticker? Yeah, well,
No, but why your heart? Because Nana we don't.
like she's a
Put
friend.
hearts.
Like you could love a person who's a male, but not with that love of umcholo, but with the pure love. Yeah, well. Could be your brother, could be your friend. Yeah, but umthandi nje umuntu. Ayikuthi umthandela ukuthi
Umthanda Cindy.
Yeah, ngimthanda Cindy as a friend, as a sister at the same time. As an advisor, because Cindy sometimes unokunginikeza ama-advisor thize yabo angisizayo empilweni yabo. So siyabadinga abantu abanjalo empilweni.
Cindy, wena awumind ukuthi umjida abonise umuntu wakhe ama-chatweni.
No, I mind.
Yabo. Because vele i-relationship yami noSindi kanye friendship yethu it's genuine when it's real. Ayihlangenanga
Okay, because you guys get along, everything is good.
Yeah.
What made you guys break up?
Yo, it is a long story.
Ngifuna umjida yakho lo. Or wena wakhuluma.
Okay, angizokhuluma kodwa manje ngikhuluma. Okay, so uSindi yabo ukhamka ekhaya like abahamba isonto yabo nanani. Umndeni wami nomndeni kaSindi like bebazana nje kanjalo yabo. So ubaba kaSindi he's a pastor yabo. So mina I'm out in the streets yabo, I'm clubbing. Sometimes he would pass with a car singing like I'm having alcohol in my hand on the streets. So I feel like her parents influenced her ukuthi mina ngumuntu right ne, and at the same time ke ngoku she practice lezo zinto azizwayo ngabazali yabo. Amangibuza ukuthi wena uhlezi uphuma ngama weekend, why, and you always around girls yabo. It's almost like the old situation thing, yeah, but now she gets it now that we are friends. but that time we were dating benga-understand ukuthi yeah mina I'm at the clubs, I'm at girls. Shukuthi ukhona vele oyi-one la mina ngibhizi nayo kanye ngibhebhayo yabona kanjalo. So hlezi silwa and naye vele unabangane nje abangamajita but ngiyamazi yena ukuthi vele umuntu straight yabo angumuntu like onokwenza into ezibhedayo.
So lo anankinga nalezi zinto lezi uzenza yona uchinchi
Abano Uliam I don't know, I won't say ngimchintshile but mina angeke ngichintshe umuntu.
Wena uchintshile from lezi zinto lezi uzenza before clubbing and all these things. Uliam uthanda unjalo.
I would say ngithanda njalo but at the same time she doesn't want me to overdo it yabo funa nje maybe ngizwe ubumnandi maybe once or twice in a month every weekend ukuthi ngisema clubini yabo ngiyagroove nje.
Wena awuna nginga ngoli emayinze njalo.
Anginankinga because in most cases hlezi siyama sonke yabo hlezi sonke manje simuva so too yabo so ngiyabona ukuthi sikhiphani uyabona ukuthi sikhiphani yabo so I feel like it's fair that way and yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
yeah, you've been quiet.
Ish. Ngizothini but
Happy?
I mean I have to be happy.
but like are you cool now with the fact that like the air is cleared now, like you get everything, you understand now? Because before you didn't know ukuthi kwenzakalani and now that you're gonna be part of us when we're moving, if you're not working on that day then you're gonna
I think now like the more cool cause like ndiyava kahle ukuthi ba into endibanisayo business yabo at first benga understand because ubungafuni ngibona chat so I'm like intoni kanje nenincokolayo but now that uyanilalela kahle so now ndiyabona ukuthi okay
like one thing I can say the fact that made me like ngingafuna ukubonisa ama chats ngingafuna ukuthi uzwise ubuhlungu kanye ubona ama chats ucabange ngenye indlela yabo ube nenye different picture and then you ending up dumping me yabo so mina I was protecting our relationship by doing that because now you understand, maybe then you wouldn't understand if being bonisile but being khombisile ama chats yabo so I'm cool now.
Kungcwele earlier.
Yeah.
So what is the way forward? Are you guys gonna talk? I guess imagine when you guys are going for the business what? So hamba naye. That's what you guys are saying.
Yeah, sesihamba naye.
Yeah man, shoma naye ma schedule wethu vele uzawazi yabo. Yeah. So I feel like
when she's not free, when she's working.
Yeah, when she's working, then she's working. It doesn't mean the show has to go on, yabo. We'll just like notify her, like, yo, on this day, we're doing this, yabo.
Yeah.
So she's gonna be alert about everything.
No, I like king.
Oh wow.
It's okay.
Because bayazana futhi ngokhanya.
Oh, you make them meet.
Yeah, bayazana.
Because that's the love like we have besides the relationship love, yabo, like
So Liam, when now are you guys gonna now start talking? Like so WhatsApp number or like like what is gonna be the situation going forward? Or only when the guy says or
I don't know about having a number yakhe but I'm cool naye. Mhlawumbe ngizodibana naye xa edibana noKhanye.
Or maybe you can be more
or what?
Kuzoba awkward. Ngcono exchange ama numbers.
Yeah, because ngicabanga nami ukuthi if ever banga exchange ama numbers mina ngikhulume noBafo bese imama ikhulume nemama, maybe it's gonna clear the air. Abanga kanjalo.
But it's very family.
Yeah, it's umndeni.
Hi, la familiar.
Yeah.
When I tell me Marasole for if when it's the right and maybe I'm just honestly I'm accusing you. I'll tell you maybe you do me wrong.
Hayi khulile William uzongithemba because uzobona naye ekuhambeni kwesikhathi. Yeah, ukuthi yopita clean.
Things will get better with time.
Yeah.
Why umdila yakho bababeke body start the show? Yeah, his hand on your side.
Yeah, because
So
this is my
money took me about
girlfriend.
back.
This is my friend.
Asibamandi.
And mina ngibamba ngibeke nje
Yeah,
izandla zami la
yeah,
yabo
exactly.
kwi-armrest.
My sister, ngiyama uthi iqiniso.
Bekarelaxile nje.
Besibekile nje shem.
Yeah.
So what's your wish, my guy?
So my wish from now moving forward, like we're gonna move like as you know, like I have this thing ukuthi like masingabangani mina nawe, like we brothers yabo. So that's how mina no Cindy we are yabo. So my wish from now going forward ukuthi sibe abangani sonke yabo. Share double dates if we have to yabo nani yabo. Just be sonke nje so that we understand each other because we need one another anyways. Yabo. So that's my wish.
Step on my double date. And what's your wish?
Nami like ushambele ngifisa ukuthi mina noLema sizwane naye understand ukuthi like mina nomuntu wakhe into enzeka kudala yabo sihlukene manje sisabangani like fana ukuthi ubhuti wami
Yeah.
Someone who was once in bed with you manje sengibhuti
like kodwa like kuyenzeka manje cause like mina naye asijoli mara siyasizana ezabangani and nayo liye sazobona lokho emva kwesikhathi because usezohleza khona njengomuntu wami naye yakubona lokho.
What is your wish? Your wish? Sorry.
Mina ndifuna nje i-peace relationship yami because we've been fighting nomuntu wami about this in the situation. So now going forward funa ukuthi kube ku-peace nje sizwane sonke yabo, no more secrets. Yeah, just be cool.
Okay.
So maybe you can be this little family thing, I don't know. We can work on that.
Yeah, nami like going forward angeke ngibe sakufihlela ifone okanye chat zami no Cindy, like I've explained the reason why, so I'm glad.
Okay, I wish you guys all the best. Maybe I'll invite you guys again, so let's focus in Jani. You know, all the best. Alright, Liam.
And right foot one, nay. So teen.
Yeah, akazi ukuthi amanamba kuzoshishana lizojela ukuthi hamba kanjani and then sizobona phambili.
Yeah.
Because masuka la vele ngisini uzosinikeza i-lift yabo, so
Hey. Why do I feel like Cindy is 60% of your relationship?
no, not even like angisho manje.
Can you spend a day without talking to her?
Yeah, because we only speak like when there's gonna be like an operation, like meaning shy span nani, maybe there's an event. No, mangizoshaya ispan. Like ukuthi ngishaya kanjalo.
Umsebenzi.
Okay.
Okay, so but something does not make sense. You're only seeing her when it's operation.
Yeah.
So that means you put an operation repair.
Ngiyabeka kanjani like uyangisiza yabo as umngani wakhe siyakhuluma vele angisho efonini.
But you guys, there's where you meet, you just talk, you don't do anything.
Like we can't be meeting aside when we're in a relationship. She's a relationship, I'm in a relationship, so we can't just make those unnecessary meetings
Unless it double dates.
unless yabo
Yeah.
izinto siplane ukushaya lezo
There's so many lies here. I'm telling you.
kanjani.
There's no way because you guys just meet when it's operation.
But do you understand, babe? Like we
There's
only
no
meet
way
when
just
there's
because it's
operation.
operation.
Cause
Why you guys are talking on WhatsApp?
we are talking on WhatsApp. That's enough. Then when we see each other, then it's operation. Then we will talk or we'll catch up.
So
over
see,
there.
I don't spend time when I'm not getting.
Cindy, let me put it this way, maybe like from South Hills to China, to Dragon City, for example. Maybe you pay maybe $100 go Uber. Cindy would say, my friend, she always has cash because I want to like go real like around you. Now you want to like go busy about push his pants like. So my driver, she will ask me maybe $50. Sometimes she won't even ask me money for a cash. So, yeah.
Yebo ngiyavuma. Ngeqiniso.
Oh, uyamnika. Uyamnika i-lift.
Yeah, ngiyamnika i-lift, but sometimes like uyangipesha nge-drink yabo.
Sometimes nawe uyakunika.
Yeah, wona lawo ma-50 rand lawo.
Sometimes nginikeza i-cold drink yabo.
Yeah.
All the best yeah. Ngizozwa ngani guys ukuthi ukuhamba kanjani i-relationship yenu ihamba kanjani ne? Honest. Yeah. Yabo, akekho right.
No, but because imibuzo yakhe nibuyisela umva.
Yabona.
Because nami ndiyacinga what if khona into ngathi yafihlwa la something. Yeah, so I'm thinking
So yes.
Khohlo kakhulu futhi. Hayi khohlo.
Bye.
Adlali.
Noma sesibuya mhlambe
Yo, what's up?
uzobona.
Why ngingamliki WhatsApp akho?
Mina ngishilo ngathi akunankinga.
From now going forward, I think ngizomnikeza umuntu wami because I've explained and now she understands. Mina, I was just doing this like I said to protect the relationship yami. You understand? And also that's why I invited to Sili la so that like azoyikhulumela okwakhe yabo kumuntu wami umuntu amazo understand naye. Yabe ngabe ngathi mina ngikhuluma into yami eceleni yabo.
Okay. I will hear what the viewers are saying. Maybe they'll agree with me or they will have their own opinion. Let's hear what the viewers
Yeah,
say.
no, let's hear from the viewers.
Yeah. Thank you guys for joining. Yeah, that was the place to go.
Now we appreciate your time.
My sister unjani?
Ndiyaphila njani futhi?
Nami ngiyaphila. Umuntu wakho umzwile uthini? Uthi hlesa mdinga vaya driver na vaya operator vaya zama operations.
Ngivile but yo.
Uyabathemba?
To be honest, hayi cha. Ngibathembi ncam because seems like khona into abayifihlayo. There's something deep that they're hiding from me, so it's just a part of me ingabathembi because especially girl, no,
Awumthembi.
no, not at all.
How do you feel that now you got a chance to talk with both of them?
I feel much relieved and I feel like everything from now on going forward is gonna make sense because I was always fighting with my girl and you know like I would tell Cindy about it and you know Cindy would like why is your girl like that and whatnot, but yeah, to answer your question, I hope like things going forward now they're gonna be moving smooth and making sense to everyone.
Umuntu wakho yena uyamthemba?
Umuntu wami ndiyamthemba but not to that extent yabo. But because after today khona nje into endinazo lo andimthembi ncam.
But are you willing to give it a chance and see?
Yes, I'm willing to give it a chance.
So yeah, that's it.
Mara asikhulume simajida nawo su2 ayikho vele into ohayidayo wena.
No, Mina, to be honest, there's nothing I'm really hiding from this whole thing, yeah, but there was like some times where like we want to be naughty, but like we don't tell each other because we're both scared for each other or for like doing this thing, you know. We would just like maybe you see how you can like look at the girl who like wants you and the way you want her, like you can tell good to like the feeling is mutual, yeah, but neither than that, no, we're just cool, man, yeah, but
Do you think ex yakho isakufuna?
I don't feel like ex yam isangifuna, but I feel like ex yam would take me if ever like both of our partners disappoints us. So
Okay.
yeah, that's how I feel.
About the phone uthi uzokunika ichance ukuthi ucheck ifone yakhe. So what do you think about that one?
Ifone ndiyayifuna because I don't want to check his phone.
Wena unankinga ukuthi akacheck ifone yakho?
No, because I'm not hiding anything, so it's okay with me. I check him phone.
You feel like uzokuthatha?
Yeah, I feel like she can if ever umcheat like umcheat yambhayizisa yabo, or if ever nami image yami yanibhayizisa yabo. If maybe for example i-partner yami neyakhe could do like ama-flop and then we both find out and then we will share that story, obviously we'll be there to you know to have you know we will be there you know to share the pain with each other, good like yo, this is what's going on, you know, she'll be my shoulder to cry on, and I'll be her shoulder to cry on. So then shit is gonna go down. So yeah.
Oh, Ashara, thank you, ne.
Yeah, no.
Away.